Hello guys, today we will change this photo to portrait style like this by using Picsart. Open the photo and Picsart. Select Remove Background. Picsart will remove background automatically. Select Save button. The photo will be saved with transparent background and PNG format. Touch the Close button and select Discard. The photo will back to original. Now we will erase the person. Select Remove tool. Choose the suitable brush site and select all person area. Press Remove button. Press Down mark. Now we have to blur the background. Select Effects and select Blur. Choose blur amount as you like. Press Down mark. Now we will reduce brightness and add cool color. Select Tool and select Adjust. Reduce the brightness a little bit. Increase the contrast a little. Increase the saturation a little. Decrease highlights. Reduce temperature to get cool color. Press Down mark. Now we will add the person back. Select Add Photo. Select the photo that we previously saved. Extend the photo fully. Now let's adjust light and color to pop the person. A little bit increase the brightness. A little bit increase the contrast. A little bit saturation. A little bit highlight. A little warm color. Press the down mark and down mark again. You can check the difference by pressing the photo. Press the Save button.